It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday evening. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather heating up for the weekend. Let's take a look at things this afternoon. The heat ridge is west of the state over Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas. Sizzling weather there. We are on the eastern flank of that, but drier air beginning to affect North Alabama. That was the visible satellite view, and you can see most of the really deep convection down across the southern half of the state. That was a radar at 2:42. Got a few showers around here, but not many. And the radar will probably look a lot like that tomorrow and Sunday. A storm possible? Absolutely, but they'll be pretty isolated. Hey, heat level's not too bad today. A lot of upper 80s on the board. Birmingham at 87. We'll see if we can stay under 90 for the second consecutive day. It'll be a close call. An excessive heat warning for parts of Kansas, Oklahoma, Missouri, Kansas City down toward Wichita and Tulsa and Oklahoma City. And note those flash flood watches down around Tampa Bay, Florida. Kind of a broad low down there, and we'll kind of keep an eye on that and see if anything tropical tries to brew. One way or the other, heavy rain is the main issue for them. A marginal risk of severe storms for the rest of today and tonight for the southern third of the state. Standard slight risk up north. Tomorrow, slight risk running from Kansas City up into parts of South Dakota. That includes Omaha. And on day 3, a marginal risk between Des Moines and Chicago. Rain for the next 5 days. The big numbers again down over the Florida Peninsula with this broad low-pressure center there. Up this way, the amount's pretty light. This is valid through Wednesday morning of next week. But after Wednesday, we think rain chances go up again late next week. And for now, the tropics quiet. Again, we'll keep an eye on the setup down there over the Florida Peninsula. That was the surface chart this afternoon. There's a 1,012 millibar low that is east of Savannah. You can see a number of showers and storms in progress over central and south Florida. Hey, model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock at 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet up. 594 heat ring west of the state. And for us, a pretty typical summer day, partly sunny, hot, humid. Isolated afternoon storms are possible. We'll expect mid-90s. And the same thing on Sunday. A good supply of sunshine. A storm is very possible, but many places should be dry. Same thing Monday of next week, mid-90s are likely, and really no big change on Tuesday as the upper ridge stays in place. But by Wednesday, the ridge begins to break down. We think the rain chances start to go up a little bit. This is Thursday of next week, a surface boundary approaching as well. Here's a week from today, Friday, July 31st, end of the month. The 594 heat, actually it's a 597 heat ring setting up over the southwest. That's going to be brutal for Las Vegas. But for us, hey, the heights are coming down. Moisture levels rising, rain chances increasing. So the end of next week for us could be relatively wet. And a pretty good chance we'll see highs dropping back in the 80s if that's right. Here's the end of the forecast, Monday, August 3rd. Look at the trough. Whoa, Nelly. Coming down through the Great Lakes. The heat well to the west, and again, that would suggest temperatures below average and still some chance of showers and storms. In fact, look at the numbers off the ensembles. Now, it ramps up in the mid-90s now, the upper 90s next week. I'm not so sure we go that high. I think mid-90s are more reasonable. But look at the numbers dropping in the mid-80s around Saturday, August 1st. With lows dropping down in the upper 60s. That sounds pretty good with that big trough swinging through here. And accordingly, the new anomalies August 1st through August 7th showing below average temperatures for much of the Great Lakes and the Midwest with near average here. And I wouldn't be shocked if we had maybe a few below average days as well based on that pattern. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here will be tomorrow morning. Bill Murray got the duties tomorrow and Sunday. My next video will be early Monday. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, a great evening, and a great weekend, and God bless.